Students, if you observe about the female reproductive system that consists of one pair of ovaries and oviduct, also called fallopian tubes, and uterus, vagina, and vulva. These are the parts. Student, and clitoris, you know about the clitoris. Clitoris, it is the erectile structure and present above the urethral orifice. Okay, student, it is the clitoris of the female reproductive system that is homologous to the penis of the male reproductive system, and it is the clitoris is supported with the corpora cavernosa tissue. Corpora cavernosa, corpus spongiosum, these are the two types of the tissues present in the penis of the male reproductive system. And this is the clitoris that consists or supported with the corpora cavernosa only. Okay, student. Next, it is the sensitive and erectile structure. And mons pubis. What about the mons pubis? Mons pubis, it is the soft fatty tissue and covered with the skin and the pubic hair above the labia majora. Student, that is called mons pubis. Okay, student. Next, accessory reproductive glands of the female. Accessory reproductive glands of the female female. Okay. First one is Bartholin glands. Second one is Skene's glands, and third one is mammary glands. What about Bartholin's glands? Bartholin glands, also called greater vestibular glands. Bartholin glands, also called greater vestibular glands. But Skene's glands called lesser vestibular glands. Students, these are the Bartholin glands, two glands, one pair in number, and present to the left and right of the opening of vagina, or either sides of the vaginal orifice of vagina. Student, topic is about female reproductive system. Female reproductive system that consists of one pair ovaries and one pair oviduct, also called fallopian duct, and a single uterus and a vagina and vulva. These are the parts. If you observe, student, clitoris is the one of the part in the female reproductive system. Clitoris, it is the sensitive erectile structure, okay, and present above the urethral orifice of the urethra. Clitoris, it is supported with the corpora cavernosa tissue. It is a homologous structure to the penis of male reproductive system. A student, what about the mons pubis? Mons pubis, it is the soft fatty tissue which is covered with the skin and the pubic hair and present above the labia majora. Student, labia majora, it is the one of the part in vulva. Okay, it is about mons pubis. Student, now accessory reproductive glands of female. These are three types. One is Bartholin glands, and Skene glands, and mammary glands. These are three types. First one about Bartholin glands. Bartholin glands are also called greater vestibular glands. Student, greater vestibular glands, Bartholin glands are greater vestibular glands. Skene's glands are lesser vestibular glands. Student, Bartholin glands are one pair in number and present at the either sides of the vaginal orifice of vagina. Present to the left or and right side of the vaginal orifice, opening of vagina. Student, these are the glands secretes mucus. Bartholin glands secretes mucus that lubricates the vagina. Okay. Next, these are the Bartholin glands are homologous to the bulbourethral glands of the male reproductive system. Next, student, Skene's glands. What about the Skene's glands? Skene's glands, student, these are lesser vestibular glands. Skene's glands are lesser vestibular glands and locates present around the urethra. Okay, are located on the anterior wall of the vagina. Okay, student, Skene glands secretes lubricating fluid. Student, Bartholin glands secretes lubricate fluid that lubricates the vagina. Skene glands secretes lubricating fluid also. And Skene glands, these are homologous to the prostate gland of male reproductive system. Student, mammary glands. What about the mammary glands? These are also called breast milk producing glands. Mammary glands are milk producing glands and starts developing under the effect of influence of the estrogen progesterone hormones during the puberty. Puberty, that means ability of a person or the individual having the ability to reproduction, sexual reproduction. Okay, adolescence reaches to the sexual maturation, that is called puberty. Okay, mammary glands starts developing under the influence of the estrogen and progesterone hormones during the puberty. Mammary glands are, students, these are modified sweat glands. Okay, and if you observe each one of the mammary gland that consists glandular tissue, also fatty tissue. Okay, mammary gland mainly consists glandular tissue. Student, glandular tissue that is divides into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Glandular tissue divides into mammary lobes. Okay, and the mammary lobes having clusters of cells called alveoli. Mammary lobes consist alveoli. Alveoli, that means clusters of cells. Students, these are the alveoli secretes milk. Alveoli secretes milk. Okay, and these are the alveoli open into mammary tubules. Alveoli are open into mammary tubules. Several mammary tubules of each lobe join and forms the mammary duct. Student, these are the tubules, mammary tubules of each lobe joins and forms the mammary duct. Student, mammary duct join to form the ampulla. Mammary duct are joined and to form the ampulla, mammary ampulla. This is wider, mammary ampulla. Mammary ampulla, it is connected to the lactiferous duct. Lactiferous duct, it is present in the nipple. Okay, student, and by the help of the nipple, milk is sucked out by the baby. Okay. Next, what about the role of the prolactin, oxytocin, about the mammary glands? Prolactin stimulates the production of the milk from the mammary glands. prolactin. Student, it is produces from the anterior portion of the pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary. Student, prolactin stimulates mammary glands for the production of the milk. Next, oxytocin. Oxytocin, it is secretes from the posterior pituitary, stimulate ejection of the milk into mammary ducts. Stimulates ejection of the milk into the mammary duct. Student. Next, what is the composition of the milk? Mammary glands secretes milk that contains casein. Okay, it is the protein, milk protein, and lactose. Student, it is the milk sugar, and fat droplets, water, mineral salts, vitamin. Okay, student, this is the composition about the milk secretes from mammary glands.